It's Denise, and in this video I am issuing you an invitation to join me and Stephanie at Creative Miss Me in a collaboration to show off a Mardi Gras table. So if you want to hear the details, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. Stephanie at Creative Miss Me always does a Mardi Gras table and cooks a huge Mardi Gras dinner for her husband because he's from New Orleans. So this year she thought it would be nice if I joined her in co-hosting a collaboration where we invited all of you to join us in putting together a Mardi Gras table. Our collaboration or challenge is called Mardi Gras Table 2019, and the rules are really very simple. First of all, you want to use the traditional Mardi Gras colors of purple, green, and gold. But since teal has been trending with Mardi Gras this past couple of years, you can throw that color in if you like. The other thing you need, of course, for Mardi Gras is a mask. And no Mardi Gras celebration is complete without these Mardi Gras beads. And then the last thing we expect you to do is to have fun. So show us what you can do. We'd love to see your tablescape with the beautiful green, gold, and purple Mardi Gras colors, and you can throw in teal if you like, a nice Mardi Gras mask. And I got one that I actually purchased in New Orleans when I was there for my son and daughter's 40th birthday, and my son got engaged that weekend. So this mask has lots of memories, and I will share that with you on the tablescape. And of course, some beautiful dishes. Now let's talk about upload dates. The videos go up on Sunday, March 3rd. So we'll be looking forward to seeing what you got and showing you what we've got. Now let me remind you that February is Heart Month, and we are raising awareness for women's heart health and for heart health in general. So depending upon how you look at the calendar, this is either the first full week of February or it's the second week of February. So the first week of February, you wanted to focus on heart health at work. And so I'm encouraging you to use your social media tags to highlight heart health, maybe wear red into work, put up a poster, and you can go to the American Heart Association's website or the National Institute of Health website, and I will link them below, and you can download posters and different things like that and put those up at work, share messages at work. You can contact the American Heart Association in your area and order in some of the red dress pins. But there's things you can do to go heart healthy at work, not to mention taking in a heart healthy snack to put in the break room. Or if you're looking at it as the second week of February, then we're focusing on family, and then you and your family would do some things to raise awareness for heart health or make some changes in your own home. For example, you could cook a heart healthy meal, let your children pick a meal after you've talked to them about what's heart healthy and how you want to use fresh produce and have a colorful plate and all that kind of thing, letting them choose something, or taking them to the grocery store with you and letting them pick something for you to cook or pick some fresh produce, that kind of thing. But there's some ways you can work it in. So if you look at it as the first week or the second week of February. First week, we're focusing on heart health at work. Second week, we're focusing on the family. let me know in the comment section below how you want to rock it. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. And I would also love to have you rock Go Red for Women's Heart Health with me this month. Until next time, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.